Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can edit green screen overlay using CapCut PC. So just select your video and then select the green screen video as you like, and I select this video with the green screen and make it as an overlay. Just put above the video like so, and then um, just going to cut out and select chroma key and select color picker and select this green color. So just for the string and the shadow like so. Can resize and just for the position like so. So here we go. It's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.